Welcome to the video on types of matrices. We are going to see about what are the types of matrices. The first type is row matrix. Here, two examples are given. The first example has one row but two columns. The second example has also one row but three columns. The number of columns does not matter. These two examples has just only one row. So the matrix which has only one row means it is called row matrix. With the same logic, I want to tell you column matrix. The first example has 3 rows but 1 column. The another example has 4 rows but only 1 column. So the matrix with only 1 column means it is a column matrix. This is the third type. Here 3 examples are given. The first example has 1 row but 2 columns. But all the elements are 0. The second example has 2 rows, 2 columns. Here also all the elements are 0. The third example has 3 rows, 3 columns. But all the elements are 0. Do you guess what type is? Yes, it is a zero matrix. No need to consider the order of matrix. The order may be 2 by 3, 4 by 3, whatever it is. If all the elements are 0 in a given matrix means it is a zero matrix. Now let us discuss the next type. Here the first example, that is the first matrix has 3 rows but 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. The row column is not equal. Okay. Then another example has 4 rows, 2 columns. Here also the number of rows is not equal to number of column. The first example 3 row, 2 column. Second example 4 rows, 2 columns. Let me ask one interesting question. What shape do these matrices look like? Yeah, it is a rectangular shape. That's why these type of matrices are called rectangular matrix. The number of rows in a rectangular matrix is never equal to number of columns in that matrix. The number of rows is not equal to number of column means it is a rectangular matrix. Now, I give 2 more matrices. You just guess its types. The first matrix has 2 rows, 2 columns. The second matrix has 3 rows, 3 columns. Here, the row is equal to column. The number of rows is equal to number of columns. Based on the dimensional shape, we may consider the type. Yeah, it looks like a square shape. So it is called a square matrix. The square matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows will always equal to the number of columns. If the row is equal to column means it is a square matrix. If the number of rows is not equal to number of column means it is a rectangular matrix. Now we come to the last type of matrix in this session. It is called a unit matrix or identity matrix. It is nothing but a special case of square matrix. How is it special? do you notice these types? Here, two examples are given. Do you notice these matrices? Yeah, the principal diagonal elements are 1. The remaining elements are 0. The principal diagonal always starts with first element in first row. So all the principal diagonal elements are 1. Then rest of the elements are 0 means the matrix is known as a unit matrix or identity matrix. So these are the main types of matrices: row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, rectangular matrix, square matrix, unit or identity matrix. We must need to know before we begin the operations on matrices. Thank you for watching this video.